Steve, so the website actually looks pretty nice. I like your logo. I like how it's laid out and everything. And you got a fair amount of content on here. Um, you got 988 words, so that's good. I like to have at least 1,000. But the more content, the better. Google loves content, so check out what your competitor has. I'll show you in a second, and beat them with content, and also have keywords organically in the content. Like carpet cleaning, Sacramento, California, or whatever keyword you want to rank for. Checking your photos or images. See what it's saved as. So you don't want this. You want it to be saved as a keyword. Google doesn't see photos, but it sees what they're saved as. So if you have it saved as a keyword, it'll help. It'll give you another keyword that you'll be ranking for with Google. And Google will find that. Checking Googling carpet cleaning, Sacramento. First things first is the ads up here. These ones you have to be verified by Google, but they're supposed to be a little less spammy. And then the original ads would be down here next. Then you got the GMB, and then you got the organic ranking. Checking out this guy. Here's what his website looks like. He's got a fair amount of content as well. He's got 1,103 words. So you'd probably want to get 1,500 or 2,000 to beat him. And let's see what his images are saved as. So he's got carpet stain removal, Sacramento. So he wants to rank for that keyword. So he has that in here as a save for his image. And he probably has that for the rest of his images as well. Yeah, carpet cleaning, Sacramento. So there's another keyword he's got saved with his images. Tool I like to use is Ahrefs. Putting you in here, you got one backlink from one referring domain with 3 keywords that Google sees for you. And let's put in your competitor. He has 388 backlinks, 54 referring domains, 670 keywords he's ranking for, and he gets 266 traffic a month from Google. He has a UR of 25 and a DR of 19, so he's not doing too bad. But we can come in here, see what backlinks he's got, and go after the same ones that if we like them. Not all backlinks are the same. We want to have ones that are specific to your location, or not location, specific to your industry. You don't want fast food linking back to you. You want like a cleaning service or other carpet cleaning or just stuff that's relevant to your industry. As well as you want to make sure they're higher DR and UR. You don't want spammy links. And then there's a difference. You see this is a no follow, and then this doesn't say that. So this is a do follow. We can come in here and see basically no follow just means it doesn't pass you the trust, where a do follow would pass you that from Google. And we can see how this guy got the backlink, and it looks like it's just an ad. Let's see what this is. ChemDrive. So that's what it looks like. I gotta find where it is, but somewhere. Is that just his? No. Somewhere on here, he's got that. He's got a link back to his page. I think it's right. I'm not finding it. Yeah, that might be what it is. He might actually own this, and because it says ChemDry, same logo. So he probably owns that, and he's just linking to himself from a different domain. But so we won't be able to get that one. Obviously, he wouldn't. Why would he give a competitor a backlink? But you could come in here and find other ones that he doesn't own. We go check out other competition and find their backlinks, and we can also go out and find ones ourselves. Ways you can get them are from blogs, guest posts, blog commenting, sponsors, where you just pay to have your logo or a link back to your website from someone else's website. You can also get news articles and have them linked back to you. There's other ones you can get as well. but those are some of the big ones. We can go here, check this guy's keywords, see what he's ranking for. He gets his most traffic from carpet cleaner Sacramento. 80 volume, he gets 31 of those traffic being in a number one position. He's getting generally you get about 1/3. He's actually getting more than that, which is good for him. But you see the KD is only 25. 25 is a higher KD versus this upholstery cleaning Sacramento. 2 KD, super easy to rank for that one. It's got 80 volume as well, so you could you come in here and you could try to grab that one spot with this keyword and get this. He's getting 30 traffic from that. You could grab you could get that yourself just by beating him in the number one spot there. Sacramento carpet cleaning, that's another 21. So you just come down here and find really good ones. High volume, low KD. This one looks good. If you service this area, Carmichael. 60 volume, 0 KD, very easy to grab. Let's see here, Elk Grove carpet cleaning, 100 volume, 4 KD. So we grab that. But yeah, just tile cleaning, Sacramento. There we go. That one's nice. 100 volume, 0 KD, as well as obviously different cleaning services cost different. So you could go after the ones you want, as well as the high volume and low KD. Carpet cleaning, West Sacramento. There's tons of keywords this guy is ranking for, and we can come in here and grab all the ones we want, and you make sure you put it on your website, either in a save for an image or organically in your content. You don't want to just grab all these keywords and just throw them in and paste them. Just all not. It has to look good. It has to sound goes smoothly in there. You don't want to keyword stuff these keywords in there because Google will dock you for that, and that won't be good. But you just add more content and throw these keywords in there that you want, and you can change some of your content too to have these keywords in it. The next thing would be the Google Map Pack. I'm assuming you already have one. I didn't go look at it, but you want to fill it out 100%. If you don't have one, it's free to do. I just got to verify with a postal card from Google. But you don't want to skip steps filling it out. You want to have it 100% complete. Then you want to add as many photos as you can. Photos is the content for the GMB. You also want to have the photos, of course, saved with keywords. And then citations is the next thing. And why I accidentally clicked on that. This guy has got 33 citations. We can come see what citations he has and grab them ourselves if we like them. I know Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook, YouTube. There's a whole bunch of spots that you can get a citation from. It's just basically directories will give you citations. When you get citations, you want to make sure that you have the name the same as the GMB. You want to make sure the phone number is the same and the area location is the same to get that citation. And if your location isn't Sacramento, if you have a friend or someone that lives there, you could have them fill out a GMB, get verified with them using their address if they will let you. And then there's you can also do the one for yourself as well. But yeah, whoops. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully you can use those tips and it helps you. If you want, we can set up a video call or a phone call and talk more. Hopefully you like the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good rest of your day.